a system that monitors aircraft functions and relays them to the pilots. Yes, this is a system that monitors the aircraft function and give the information of all functions to the pilots or the crew members, either they are maintenance, the co-pilots or the pilots. It also produces messages detailing failures and in certain cases list procedures to undertake to the correct the problems. Yes, it also produces the messages for the detailing. You can see that when failure comes, detail of failure is present there in form of message, and in some certain cases when failures comes, their message comes and the solution of the failure also display there. It displays data concerning aircraft systems and also the failures. Yes, it displays the system information of the aircrafts also and the failures of the aircraft in any system, in any compartment. Let's proceed, guys. This is a cockpit in aircraft, and here on my right side is the pilot seat, on my left side is co-pilot seat, and you can see there are a lot of displays and the gauges and you can say the instruments in front of both pilot and co-pilot, how they can segregate and how they have to monitor, and how they you can say categorize the systems, and how they remember what has to be give the priority first, what are the failures has to be given the importance. uh, these are the, and we will study now the importance of the failures and the level of the failures. You can say the classes of the failures. Let's proceed, and on this basis the pilots and the co-pilot segregate the problems, what is important and what is not important. Failures are classed by importance ranging from level 1 failures to level 3 failures. Yes, guys, the failures of an aircraft are classified in 3 levels. In the event of simultaneous failures, the most critical failure is displayed first. It means that the failure that is in a critical compartment, that has to be displayed first. Uh, when the failures come, different failures come at a time. The critical compartment failure has to be displayed first. Yes, it is most important. The warning hierarchy is as follows. Let's see what is the warning hierarchy of the failures. Guys, first of all, level 3 failures we will study because it is most important. Red warnings, situations that require immediate crew action and that place the flight in danger. Yes, when the level 3 failure comes, this is a critical situation for the flight of aircraft, and the crew has to take the immediate action. What is the example of a level 3 failure? An engine fire or a loss of a cabin pressure is type of level 3 failure. They are initiated with a red master warning light. A red master warning light will be present there, and a warning red ECAM message, and a continuous repetitive chime or a specific sound or a synthetic voice will be there, and you can say the a continuous beep will be there with a red master warning light, a ECM message, and a synthetic voice will be there when the level 3 failure will come. The chime, or you can say the beep, can be silenced by pressing the master warning push button. Why it is necessary, guys? It is very necessary because when the you can say beep will running continuously, it will create a panic because a crew has to take the immediate action, and when it will running continuously, it will create a panic. Guys, you can see here in a picture the level 3 failure indication. You can see here the in engine 2 compartment a fire is there, so the indication is here. Now we'll study level 2 failures. Amber cautions failures that requires crew attention but not immediate action. Yes, in this situation, the crew has to uh, give the attention to the failure but not have to take the immediate action, because it will not uh, hamper the flight safety. What are the examples? Air bleed failures are a fuel fault, are the examples of level 2 failures. They have no direct consequence to flight safety and are shown to the crew through an amber master caution light, a caution amber, you can say a ECAM message, and a single shim. Yes, when the level 2 failure will come, a single shim or a single beep will be there in starting. You can see, guys, in a cockpit the indication of level 2 failure here in you can yellow line. Let's proceed, guys. Now level 1 failure, the cautions, failures and faults that lead to a loss of system. They require monitoring but present no hazard. Yes, when the a fault, a failure will come, and that will lead to a loss of a system. You can say system that is uh, uh, will not hamper the safety of flight, but they requires monitoring. Yes, because when the level 1 failure come, there is no hazard. Example includes the loss of DMC3 when not in use. Yes, level 1 failures are enunciated by a caution amber ECM message only. No aural warning, or means no sound warning, no beep is there, not a single, not a continuous. Only in the a caution and a ECM message only will be there. In addition to the three failures levels are following the status message. Guys, uh, when these three failure levels will come, the following status messages will also be displayed with these failure levels. The first status message is with failures is the system parameters monitoring. You can say it is a system parameters monitoring when any system go goes out of limits, goes in limits, when working, when in operation, continuously monitoring is there, and the system parameter will be displayed. It causes an automatic call of the relevant system page on the system display. The affected parameter pulse is green, and the any parameter which is out of limit or which is affected, that will be in green. You can see here the system display, and here the green pulses you can see. The second message is status messages memo image information. Recalls normal or automatic selection of functions which are temporarily used. It causes a green amber or a magenta message on engine warning display. Means it is information of any system, and it is used for a short time, and it is the indication in the engine warning display. Here you can say the in green message in green writing, and the magenta writing the message type. Guys, this was all about today's